Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today I have a very special Hogan wings model over here to review. So this is the MV22B Osprey or Osprey, what you like to call it, in the 1 to 200 scale. And this is a very nice aircraft. As you can see, it has the capability to take off as a helicopter and then change its rotor's direction in mid-flight and act as a plane. So this is a very nice plane and a very nice model, and it does come with a stand which is absolutely awesome. This is official Boeing product, so this is going to be very expensive as the F-15s are, because they are also made by Boeing, and I think the Boeing licensing is just very expensive. That's why these planes are expensive. But in this case the amount of metal used is also huge, so we'll see how it stands out. It comes with a little instruction manual, as you can see, only one side, which only tells how it will go on to the aircraft, these rotor, because some assembly is required. And here's the stand. Let's just see what it has. So it has only two pieces. There's the stand, pretty nice stand. Now let's take out the main attraction, nicely packaged as always with the Hogan wing model, and look at that matte finish it has. Absolutely stunning. So let's take it out and assemble it and take a closer look at it. So here's the main aircraft body, as you can see, very nicely detailed. Let's just keep that aside and take out the rotors. Here they are, and these are free moving rotors, so as you can see they freely turn around, and they have a little hole there that goes over here. As you can see, there is a tab sticking out, so all you have to do is just press fit them inside there, and then you are good to go, just like so. And here we have our finished model. So let's keep it in a helicopter profile for now, because it can only land in its helicopter profile, not in its plane profile, because the rotors will strike the surface. That's how big these rotors are. So once now it has been assembled, let's take a closer look at it. So here's the model in all its glory. As you can see, very nicely detailed with all the grooves, cutouts and paint markings. So let's start with the back. Here we have the particular military branch logo and the registration number, I believe, of the aircraft, or the unit number. I'm not sure about this, but the information is available on the internet, you can check that out. And then we have a huge back stabilizer. As you can see, the groove is nicely cut out so that the aircraft can pitch up and pitch down. That is what I believe, but I may be wrong. Here we have the cargo bay door, which can open and close to load up troops or supplies. And then we have the US Air Force logo as well. And we have the landing gears, very nicely detailed. The landing oh, it fell off, so I might have to find it where it is. Here it is. So yeah, this landing gear, oh, fell off, so I have to reattach it somehow. Hopefully it's not a tough job, but we will see. So let's now continue without the landing gear, and these are very nicely detailed. As you can see, there is a little bit of paint bleeding issue going on, but that's pretty minor, and for the model of this size I believe that's okay. And then we have the number 31 written over here, and overall the paint scheme looks pretty nice. Here we can see that all the lines here that are painted for some reason are very distinguished from each other. And we have the cockpit here. As you can see, it is a full glass cockpit, and they did not do a pretty good job of pasting it, but whatever. So now let's flip the rotors and make it in a plane mode. So these tabs prevent you from further going down, and here we have it in its plane mode, and as you can see the rotors go below the landing gear level, so this is why it can only go in plane mode while it's in the air and a safe distance from the ground. And one thing to note out as well is that if you move the rotors, you can see how closely it is to the main aircraft body. You can see it is almost like millimeters of distance, but in real life it is in a few feet, I believe, or which is pretty scary. I mean, if you take your hand out, it will be chopped off quite instantly. So it's a bit scary. And if you look at the door over here, it is very nicely detailed with all the warning marks and how to open the door handle with this nicely indicated arrow over here, and at the front we have the camera view, as you can see, which do some sort of tracking and stuff. And there was a piece over here that was broken off for some reason, which is this particular piece right here, and I don't know how to stick it on without my tweezers. So all in all, a pretty good and very heavy model. And one good thing about it is it does come with a stand. So here's the stand fully assembled, and then you can just shove it in its bottom. That may sound wrong out of context, and then you can place it like so. And here you have a very nice model to display for. There it is, guys, the MV22B Osprey by Hogan Wings in the 1 to 200 scale version. Pretty expensive and heavy model, but for the amount and quality you get, it is absolutely beautiful. Definitely recommend it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all later.